Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to set long-term personal goals in Trello. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you are planning to set long-term personal goals in Trello, all you can do is simply go and tap open Trello. So to set long-term goals in Trello, you need to create a board and use the list to represent stages of a project or timeline. Example goals, in progress, or done. For each long-term goal, you need to create a card. Break it down into smaller actions, and you can choose the actionable steps using a checklist within the card. You can now use labels and due dates for tracking progress. So simply, you need to set up your Trello board, create and detail your goal cards, track and manage your progress, and stay accountable. After this, you need to review regularly and reflect on your vision. This is how you can simply set long-term personal goals in Trello. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.